In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to your Apple Wallet in 2025 so you can pay seamlessly with your iPhone, Apple Watch, or iPad wherever Apple Pay is accepted. It's quick, free, and super convenient. First, make sure you've got three things ready. 1. The latest version of iOS on your iPhone or iPad. 2. The Apple Wallet app already set up. 3. A valid PayPal account linked with your email and phone number. Now let's go step by step. Open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus plus button in the upper right corner to add a new payment method. From the list of options, select PayPal. You'll be redirected to a secure login page. Enter your PayPal credentials, your email, and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, verify the code sent to your phone. Once logged in, choose the PayPal balance, debit card, or linked bank account you want to use for Apple Pay transactions. Tap Agree and Continue, and Apple Wallet will instantly link your PayPal account. Within seconds, you'll see PayPal listed as one of your Apple Pay payment options. From now on, when you use Apple Pay at checkout, whether it's in stores, apps, or online, you can simply double-click your side button, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and select PayPal as your payment method. If you don't see PayPal as an option, update both your Wallet app and the PayPal app, then restart your iPhone. And that's it, your PayPal is now added to Apple Wallet for fast, secure payments anytime, anywhere. Thank you for watching this video.